Yo, this is your guy Motivational, and today we have to identify a threshold in mental health. So you have to know your strengths, you have to know how and even what can happen to you for you to get mental illness. Let's get in there. So in mental health, we have some factors that can contribute you getting some of the condition or not. So one, we have family history of mental illness. So if you want to identify your threshold, first just check through your family if you have some family history of the condition. If you have such, that means you have to be careful with your lifestyle. Don't be taking substance, don't be going near to alcohol. You can get some. It doesn't mean surely you are going to get no, but if you don't check your lifestyle very well. Secondly, check your stressful life very well. Secondly, if you go to much stress in your life, you have the chance of getting mental condition than people who know how to manage their stress. So we try to adapt to some stress coping mechanisms that will help you very well to adapt so that you go out of stress each and every day. Final part I'm going to talk about is your substance taking. If you take much substance, you like taking drugs, you like taking weed, other substances, your chance of getting mental illness is higher than someone who don't go near to those substances. So be careful with the substances you use each and every day. Stay tuned for more mental health tips. Thanks. Subscribe. Make sure you give a thumbs like if this video helps you. I'll give you more tips on how to identify if you are going near mental illness.